Welcome to ContainerMath. Our 3D container loading software helps you plan, optimize, and export load plans, filling every container to the last millimeter. Start by building your load. Select your vessel from our supported list of standard shipping containers, trailers, flatbeds, and rail wagons. Save time with our AI-powered smart input. Simply paste raw text from an email, a PDF, or upload a spreadsheet, and watch as it automatically structures your cargo lists. Once your items are ready, hit Run Simulation. In just seconds, our software generates a fully optimized 3D loading plan complete with actionable insights. Exporting your plan is a breeze. Download the results as a CSV, a detailed PDF report, or clear image snapshots. Perfect for handing off to your loading crew. Stuck on how to balance weight or pack tighter? Chat with Stowy, your AI co-pilot, available anytime to answer your questions in plain English. Turn messy cargo lists into optimized, exportable 3D load plans in seconds. Start optimizing for free today at ContainerMath.com.